Assalamu alaikum guys, we are here again with Rohan with a new video. Okay, Rohan, start. Indicator, drive, hand brake down, center mirror, side mirror and shoulder. No, hand brake is not good. Oh man. Okay, U-turn. Take care of the line from your right side. It should be close, huh? That should be close. It is little bit is far away. Check the side mirror, huh? The big one. Your car should be close to this line. How you will make it close? Okay, go. Okay. Nice. Yes, rotation of the steering is also good. U-turn from the roundabout. Good. When you change the lane, the car should come into the line slowly. It should not come immediately or abruptly. So you have a good idea of changing line. Straight from the signal. Okay, good. As you know, Mr. Rohan, Shurta will check three main things: your control, your confidence and rules and regulation which you follow. If you are good with these things, he will make you to pass. Your hands should be on the steering and your eyes should be on the timing or timer of the signal. Okay.